Hello to our wonderful followers. Today, I'm going to prepare a homemade croissant recipe with you that will impress your family and guests with delicious and distinctive dishes. We'll teach you step by step how to prepare the most delicious desserts in easy and simple ways, so you can enjoy preparing them and savor a delicious result. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the new recipes and ideas and be the first to enjoy everything new from us. In a bowl, we mix 360 grams of cheese and 100 grams of butter until the ingredients are well combined. Then, we add 1 egg with a pinch of salt and 180 grams of sugar. Finally, we add 330 grams of white flour and mix the ingredients until we get a homogeneous mixture. We leave it for 30 minutes to let the dough rest. After that, we divide the dough into 3 parts and roll it out using flour to prevent sticking. Then we cut the dough into halves, then quarters, and finally into 8 parts in the shape of triangles. Then we roll them up as shown in the video to get small croissants. We arrange them on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the new recipes and ideas and be the first to enjoy everything new from us. After they are done, we sprinkle them with some powdered sugar and serve them with tea or coffee. I hope you like the recipe and try it out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. And don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it to keep you updated with everything new.